tomato plants usually have hairy stems. Hairless stems are present in tomato plants that are homozygous recessive for this trait. If the stem characteristics are determined by a single gene, what is the expected outcome of crossing two tomato plants that are heterozygous for hairy stems? Now, before I can make my Punnett squares, it's important that I understand what genotypes I'll be using. And so it tells me that I've got two tomato plants that are both heterozygous for hairy stems. Now here is where most students get hung up on this problem. They don't tell me what letter to use. They don't tell me what capital and lowercase letter goes with hairy stems and hairless stems. But here's the thing. It doesn't matter. You can use any letter you want. And since I'm talking about hairy and hairless, H seems to make the most sense. So I'm going to use H, and it tells me that they're both heterozygotes, so that means big H, little h. And so knowing that they're both heterozygotes, I can make my Punnett square. I'll have one heterozygote across the top and one down the side, and then I'll fill it in. And so it tells me that hairless stems are present in homozygous recessive plants. So that means that only this one box, which represents 25%, is hairless. The other 75%, the other three boxes, must have hairy stems. And so that means my correct answer is A, because that's the only answer choice that has 25% hairless and 75% hairy.